Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Neck Crochet Tejido. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this beautiful earring set. Absolutely gorgeous and very easy to do. I hope you guys like it and give it a try. And here's the list of material you're going to need to make them. If you are not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the little bell. That way you get notifications each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see the video in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel. You'll find the English version in there. Also, you can send me a message and I can send you the link. To make this design, I'm going to use this cotton 100% mercerized fine one, white. You can use any color you want. The crochet hook is a 1mm, but if you want the flower to be a little bit bigger, you can use a 1.5 or a 2mm crochet hook. You're gonna need 2 beads, a tapestry needle, but you have to make sure that the tapestry needle can go through the little hole of the beads, and to sew the ends. 2 of these beads that are like shells, and 2 earring hooks, scissors and 2 pliers to open and close the earrings hooks. We're gonna start with the magic glue, and before I start, I know I'm gonna get some complaint about the nails, so they are stick on. I put it on for Christmas, so I had to wait until they are ready to come off, so I have to record this video anyway. So I'll try to explain everything that I'm doing. So you're gonna do a magic loop or a magic ring, and you pass it over, you know, the tail like so, and then you wanna pass your hook and bring that strand to the front. Now you're gonna chain 1 and you're gonna do a single crochet. Now you're gonna do a yarn over and you're gonna do a half double crochet. Now we're gonna do 3 double crochet. That's 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna do a half double crochet and a single crochet, and that's the repetition that we're gonna do until we have 5 of these petals. But since you finish with a single crochet, you don't have to start with a single crochet, you start with a half double crochet. I'm gonna close this just a little bit. So half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Half double crochet and a single crochet, and we're gonna do this repetition 3 more times. Half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1. Let me close this a little bit more. Not too much because we need to have the space. 2 and 3. Half double crochet and a single crochet. I have 3. Now we're gonna do 2 more. Half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, half double crochet and a single crochet. Now I can close it a little bit more. Half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, half double crochet and a slip stitch inside the first single crochet. Now you can pull the tail and close this a little bit more, not too much, leaving enough space to put the bead inside. So now you're gonna chain, I'm gonna chain 15, but remember, if you're using a bigger hook, you have to chain less, because you will have a chain too long that will go all the way to your, like past your shoulder. So you want to keep an eye on the length of your chain, depend on the size of your hook. So you're gonna do 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we're gonna grab this and we're gonna pass our hook. Make sure that it's facing the right way, otherwise we'll get twisted and it'll be facing the wrong way. You're gonna leave 1, 2, and on the third one you want to do your first slip stitch. Make sure the chain is not twisted, otherwise it will be twisted at the end. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 13, and now we're gonna go to the same single crochet. At the beginning we're gonna pass our hook through and we're gonna pass this through the loop. I had to undo this because I have one here that didn't like, and then that's why I already cut my yarn, so I have to repeat the little piece. So like that, you see, it's facing the right way, this, and it's nice and straight and the perfect length. Now with the tapestry needle, you're gonna come here, pass it through the loop, we're gonna pass it to the back, and it'll look like this. If you don't have beads, you can leave it like this, but look, much better with the bead. I already made this one in Spanish, and much better. So I'm gonna pass these through here to the front again. Put the bead through, and now I'm gonna pass it through the top here to the back. Be careful, don't pinch yourself. Now I'm gonna do a little knot here. Now I'm gonna lose the tail. I'm gonna pass it through all the way until the other one, that way I can do a couple of knots with the two of them. Yeah. You know how to do this by now, this kind of thing. I love the way they look. They look very, very nice, especially for with a summer dress, summertime. They look really nice. If you go on a cruise, you go to the beach. Now I'm going to finish losing these two ends, and then we're going to put the hook. You see how easy this is? In 15 minutes, 20 minutes you have this done, or less. Especially if you have short nails. So I'm gonna lose this end, and I will meet you here to place the hook. Now we're gonna grab the hook, and we're gonna separate these like to the side to open it. Now you're gonna go to the third double crochet. Make sure that the little ball don't get on your way. And it is in my way. I put it in the second one. To the other side. My goodness, the little ball is on in my way. There we go. Unbelievable with a little ball. No, I'm just saying, I'm gonna close it again, and if you need the other one you can use it, but I don't think I'm gonna need it like this one. love it. Or a little earring. And here's the other one. Look how beautiful they look. They look amazing. And it's so fast to do. And they look amazing. They look beautiful. And it's the same length. Like I said, it's exactly the same length and everything. I love them. I absolutely love them. I'm planning to do a little necklace as well for the set. Well, this is the end result, and I absolutely love this set of earrings. They look amazing. I put it on my mannequin. The ear on my mannequin, they don't go right through, so that's why they look like that in the top. But they are amazing, and I hope you guys like it and give it a try. And subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And if you make this beautiful design and you want to send me some picture, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family and in groups. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.